You're watching the Hot Mess Express.
It ain't cold. Winter in the north. I drive the skylines alive. You might be cold, but I don't mind coming back to you. And I wake in the morning with the itch to believe it every single day. To hop to the wheel and drive into the city, but I know how to run away. Oh, I wake in the morning with the itch to believe it every single day. Take me home. Take me home.
Rainy day. It's boring. I'm sad.
Beautiful Ohio.
So I said, Jen,
Great drive.
take me to church. We're gonna go get our soul saved. We can't even get into the church. That's alright. We'll get better. We'll get better. I'll go.
What's that you said? Can't draw it in my head.
All right, so we made it to Urban Crag. This is an indoor climbing center that is built inside a really old church.
And this is Ashley, and she's going to tell us about this amazing building and everything it's gone through.
So Carl is a pretty old school climber. He knew that he wanted to start a rock gym. It was starting to gain in popularity, and so he was walking through the neighborhood. He wanted to put it in an old piece of Dayton history, and he considered a few different properties and then just picked this one and settled on it.
It's super cool.
Really cool.
Can't beat the height.
You can't beat the height or the atmosphere. It's really crazy.
Yeah. And how many years they built it?
About 22 years this November.
Wow.
Yep. Awesome.
Older
Made it
than
through
me.
the recession and all a bunch of crazy stuff. Before the building was put in place, there was an original log cabin type of structure that actually burnt down. This bell came from that original building, and they repurposed it here for the church. And then we needed a counter dinger, so the business saved the bell again.
Look at that thing.
The bell was cast by the same gentleman that actually ended up saving the Liberty Bell. He was in charge of taking the bell and melting it back down to remake it, and he knew its importance and decided not to do that and just put it in storage. Then his family found it years later.
Wow.
So we're very fortunate.
That's insane. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
That one.
Yes. I've been doing like the stuff with the video.
Like all steak now.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
You nervous?
Kinda. Oh, hi, guys.
We went down a luge, and you're nervous about this?
About died on the luge. About lost my toes.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
How tight you want it?
As tight as you can get it.
That's what I'm talking about. Sorry, I apologize for that.
We're gonna take a walk right through this weight room over here.
Okay.
A wall out there. There's basic barbells and dumbbells, workout sheets, and binders right there.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is go over 3 different knots. One of them is gonna be tied for you, but it's still good to know.
You're gonna do this, right, for us?
I will show you guys, and you guys will kind of go along with it.
Great. Okay.
By the end of this, you should know how to do it by yourself.
Okay.
You don't want to go from bottom to top when you go. So left hand is a little upside down. It's a little short. Definitely helps if you take your thumb out.
Yeah.
Pull it down around your fingers. So
Ow.
it's a little early. So when you come through, and this is part of the reason we have the figure eights tied out there for you, so you don't end up with this issue.
I'm never gonna graduate this class.
Have some self-confidence.
Oh.
Good. Yeah.
Yep, easy peasy, you know. I got like the first time. It's good.
Cool. So I will take on the extra rope. We're gonna move on out there.
Are we like flunkies? Are we like the worst so far?
You guys are actually doing really well. I know you stayed there and you
good.
got them anyways.
Good. I won't drop.
Good.
I won't buy it, so don't try and make me think it's not worth the fighting. Cause I'm fed up and misled enough to think there's something you're hiding. I'm not stupid and I'll prove it. I won't work my ass off to lose it. So move over.
We'll creep up.
You did.
Hungover, dehydrated. Sorry, go. Don't look at that.
Miles, only to get denial. You smile and say we'll just be friends. My wishes turn
I feel
Pretty good. You did good.
feel invigorated. Feel safe.
I did.
All right.
Where you wanna go? Where you wanna get at?
You want to do this one more time so we can get good at it?
Yeah.
Gotta nub it. You think that's too short? This is actually really nerve-wracking.
God, the Jim. Twat can't breathe.
My love was just another four-letter word to you. But I'm sober, so it's over. For what it's worth, I feel so lonely when not with you. But I better off sleeping.
I get it.
Loosen me up!
Oh, sorry. I do something. Oh boy. Yeah. A freaking pro model over here. Call me Eagle Scout, bud, because give me my not bad.
Naughty.
I'm not appreciating that joke. Check me.
I gave you all I had to give, and I'm sorry.
You're lucky I was ready. Not really. I wasn't ready at all. The hell was that?
I flipped. Can you give me a little bit of room here? Asshole is just look at that, Lindsay.
What it's worth, I feel so lonely when not with you. But I better off sleeping. My love was just another four-letter word to you.
Okay.
Alright.
Boulder.
Boulder?
Yeah, good, get it. Ring the bell.
What bell?
It's right there.
Huh?
It's right there.
Where?
Ring it.
Where? There ain't no bell up there. God, you're an idiot.
You did good. Do up.
That was easy. Naughty check.
Have you been naughty?
Or not.
We don't get this wall. Yeah, hey, dog. I'm done. No. Got me. I can't see her.
Wow.
Just let me hit every rock on the way down.
Huh? I'm gonna come down. Hell.
It's kind of hard to come down if you're holding on to the wall.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Ah, I'm like an angel, a rock angel. Well, there you go. Rock climbing at its finest.
Now. Make sure you work up your upper muscles. Upper strength. Because I can. Yeah. You rocking in the club like this.
Go rock wall climbing.
Yeah.
Rock your way
This
into
feels
the
right.
club.
Yeah. So super.
Can you drive?
No. No, I cannot. All right. Woo.
Look at that motherfucker. Right in my butt. I don't know when you're rolling.
I'm rolling.
Oh, good.
We're on a quest at, what is it? Zwickle Road. We're finding Corkscrew Falls.
We're going to Corkscrew Falls. It's very elusive. Nobody can find it. But it's in Hocking Hills State Park area. Show you some Ohio beauty.
Hold on.
Alright. And as always, as the Hot Mess Express recommends, always be prepared. And by
Bring you some
that,
briskies.
bring brews. You think we got a first aid kit in this book bag? No. You think we have bug spray? Absolutely not.
Should've. Definitely should.
But do we have 12 Tall Boy Miller Lights? Yes. We'll make it out alive, don't worry. Remember, if this airs and you guys still haven't seen us, we're
in
fucking
Corkscrew Falls, the side of 664
Zwickle Road.
Zwickle Road.
Ow. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna hurt myself. It said east of the river.
Do you know what way east of the river is?
No, I don't know. What does that say?
That way? Is that the river? We're like a swamp.
Oh god, I'm gonna eat shit and fucking die and hurt myself. I know it. Whoa. Yes, it is to it.
I'm lucky.
We found it.
We did it! It was a long journey. It was hard.
How did we get down there?
Made it through a third of a beer. No entry beyond this point, but we didn't come this far not to get down in there.
We gonna get in it.
Well, good thing we practiced our rock climbing. This is kind of some freaky Lord of the Rings shit. Please don't let me fall on my ass.
I'll catch you.
You're a good belay partner, boo-boo.
That's right. Don't you forget it.
Bling down!
You're gonna eat shit.
No, I'm not. Boom, sucker.
You are buzzed up.
I just tore my tank.
God.
just tore
No
my
wonder
tank.
you got a bad hit.
God damn it, it burns.
Why'd you do that?
Holy shit. Oh, I got a knot in my
On
tank.
that metal.
Oh, great. Oh, you're right. Lindsay, not the time.
Number 4.
This is our time.
You ain't got no socks on in your shoes? Fun fact, Jen's feet smell like absolute death. And that's why.
I mean,
Bitch don't know how to wear socks.
death is a bit much, I would think.
No. I feel like we're, stand by me and we're gonna find a dead body.
Probably
like
done that
a dead hobbit.
It's me when Jake Gyllenhaal comes on the camera.
Unbelievable.
PSA. Hey assholes. Do you see this? Do you see the Shire? Do you think that fucking belongs here? I don't think so. Let's clean our shit up. I'm gonna pick this up and Hot Mess is gonna take it out of here. Because we're eco-friendly. Shame on you.
Shame.
You don't want to pick it up?
We're gonna die! Have you ever swam in a waterfall in Ohio?
Oh god, it's weird. You think there's snakes in there?
I don't like that! Don't do that to me! I'm no bitch, it's
There's
okay.
no snakes in there.
Okay, mommy, don't pull me out of the fucking rock, you asshole!
Okay, ready, go. Go down.
No!
Go, you gotta go
No.
down so I can follow you.
I'll follow you. Alright, no bitch, okay. Oh, you just kicked me in my cooch. What kind of fucking bugs are these?
Be down. What the fuck are those?
I don't know, there's like these bitches.
Now look at this fish. Shit. Woo, you did it, girl. You did it.
Waterfall adventure.
Travel tip 727. Bring a fucking towel.
Towels.
Cold. It's
Nice.
very cold, and now we're gonna get caked with bugs and shit.
Yep.
So
Moss is gonna start
towels,
growing
people.
here.
Towels, towels, towels.
Towels.
Blanket, something.
Yep.
Y'all ever been inside an old man cave? You dirty. We're gonna go check out this cave. God damn it.
That's your vagina.
I did. I found your butthole. Jen, how hard are you gonna try to climb up there to put that in your mouth? That looks terrible. I'm
Yeah,
milking
it
a
does.
cow.
That's
I'm
not-
milking a cow. That's what I was doing.
Looks like you're choking that wood
We'll
out.
edit that out. Ooh, like being reborn. Right out the womb. It's in Braille. I will tell you. It says, get rid of your partner. She is an old good, rusty, old bucket filled of piss. Does anybody see the baby? Where is the baby?
Yeah, get outside, enjoy nature.
It's all free,
All of it's free.
except for the
Rock
rock
climbing.
climbing. But
That was it.
if you're gonna be that safe and climb rocks in a church, then you gotta pay for it.
You don't have to pay for it.
It's the rules.
You walk into any church, it ain't gonna be free. Well, thanks, Ohio. Thanks for having the Hot Mess Express, as always.
We'll be back.
I'll be back.
There's a half-eaten apple in there. Now, I don't know why in the hell you're going to take any kind of thing you're going to put in your mouth into a porta potty. Why would you ever fucking do
Question
that?
of the day.
There's an apple in there. Somebody just... I mean, I take my apple in there, but it's a fucking phone.
Corn.